So this is my bike. I did get new tires, wheels, and everything. One of the things for these wheels, I never serviced them before. So I am getting into servicing the hubs themselves, but I do have to take it out. It takes a minute. So I would take out this with a 15 millimeter. So I'm gonna take this apart, slap on these new wheels, tires, and hubs. So the tires are by Fincci Legends. They're 26-inch tires. Tubes by Bell. The wheels themselves are by Benzo. Quick disconnect here. No tools needed. And easy to tighten them up. So when it comes out to tighten it up, I'll be able to clamp this on. It's good to go. If I do get a flat or anything like that, I'll be able to pull it out by hand, take it apart, have my handy dandy little tool bag there, service my tires and everything. I do have an extra 15 mil in there because I do ride with my kids, and just in case they have a flat. My kid has hollowed out axles, so it'd be really easy for me to put this away and never use it again. But for the rears, it's the same thing. I definitely need a 15 millimeter. I'll be able to put this on and take these guys off. But without the 15 mil, 100% I'm not taking that tire off. But I might be able to service it in between. It's a pain, but if you do have hollowed out axles, this one's gonna be an upgrade, 100% upgrade on that. I do have a 6-speed actual freewheel. I got a Shimano 6-speed actual freewheel. And this thing is nice. So I don't have to service the hub right now or anything like that. I just definitely have to put some miles before I can take it apart and service it. But I really do like this. I like that it has this skewer, and I no longer have to use the 15 millimeter. I'll be able to take this off, put it back together, and in a pinch, actually, within seconds, just do it by hand. And it's very easy for me to take this off and take these wheels off and service them. So let me get to it, and let's just put on these new wheels, because I definitely need to throw away this tire here. It has run its course. It's pretty bold. Same thing for this one. It's pretty dry rotted, and it's splitting right here at the seams. So it's time to upgrade these tubes, tires, and wheels. Replacing my new wheels and tires was a cinch. Just a matter of taking the 15 millimeter out. I did actually take the valve stem core out of both of the tires just because it's easier to put it in without actually doing any adjustments to the brakes, because you can collapse the actual tire and slap it all together. So in a nutshell, that's it. This is a really big upgrade. I do have the skewers. I'll never ever have to use a tool for that. I can just manually put these wheels on and off. I won't even need a tool to loosen up or remove these brake pads. One of the things that I do to bypass that, I actually let off the air. So you can let off the air with like a valve stem core remover, or you can just stick something in there, like your finger, press in there on the valve stem core, release the air. Or if it's flat, it's not gonna have any air at all, and you'll pull it past the brakes by squishing it through, pulling it out. So no tools needed to remove the front end wheel. If I do got a flat, I got a way to air it up, patch it. And the same thing for the rear. No tools required. Got the skewer. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh, some nice riding gonna happen with these. I got my old tires, which I'm gonna get a full service, and I'm gonna have them ready to go just in case I do have to remove these and change them up. I did go from the mountain bike style ones, the thicker ones, to these flatter ones, just because these days I've been doing a lot more running in the road and less running into little hills, bumps, grass. So about maybe, I'm gonna say like 60-70% of my time is on the actual road. So It's a different little change up for this little mountain bike. But I do have these other ones here, which I'm gonna say refurbish, like 100% refurbish, have them ready to go, because I do have another mountain bike and more to come. But this is where I'm at right now.